The corridors of Mutapa building are reportedly filled with a new kind of anxiety these days. It is not the usual threat over inflation or the latest international sanctions. Instead, the sources of this unease is a man who has been remarkably quiet for months, NelsonchamIsa. While the state-controlled media has been busy writing his political obituary, our investigation reveals that Chamisa Agenda 2026 has triggered a high-level security alert within the Central Intelligence Organization (CIO). The politics of silence that many mistook for defeat is, in fact, the camouflage for a sophisticated grassroots ghost network that is being built outside the reach of traditional state repression. Sabina mashkobdanyo kupangwa na CIO panic over NelsonchamIsa's secret agenda 2026 as disgruntled military officers join his movement. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamna mubdanyo kamchense. The timing of this shift is not accidental. The year 2026 has emerged as the danger zone for the current administration as the country edges closer to the 2028 elections. The ruling ZANU-PF party is gripped by internal fractures over the proposed constitutional amendment number 3, the controversial bill, which cabinet recently begged seeks to extend presidential term from 5 to 7 years. If passed, it would effectively postpone the next election until 2030, allowing President mnangagwa to remain in power beyond the current 2-term limit. In his Agenda 2026 statement, Chamisa did not mince his words about the state of the nation. He declared, "This assessment of deliberating legitimacy crisis is what makes the state so nervous. The government's desperation to change the constitution is clear admission that they fear a standard electoral contest in 2028. By pushing for 2030 extension, the elite are trying to buy time to manage their own internal succession battles and to find a way to neutralize the growing third force. The third force is perhaps the most significant revelation of our investigation. It is not a new political party, but a loose alliance of disgruntled war veterans and young military officers who have been disillusioned with what they describe as a corrupt cabal at the top. These are individuals who were once the backbone of the system, but now find themselves struggling with the same economic hardships as ordinary citizens. One retired officer speaking on condition of anonymity noted that the revolution has been hijacked by those who love the color of money more than the soil of Zimbabwe. Doma developments aripo pangwa inwe kuchankonzi awa NelsonchamIsa apangwa inwe adzisimudza manje mepo. Pena comment section medu zafungura imoto leba mzuri pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.